Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Freshdesk Chat from your website UI step by step clearly. To uninstall Freshdesk Chat from your website UI, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin section located in the left sidebar. Under the channels heading, click on the chat option. Look for the settings tab within the chat section. In the settings tab, locate the installation option. Here, you'll find the integration details for your chat widget. Copy the existing code snippet as a backup, just in case you need it later. Next, open your website's Content Management System, CMS. Access the section where you can manage scripts or code snippets. Look for the header or footer settings in your website's editor. Locate the Freshdesk Chat script in the header or footer code. Once found, you can safely delete the code snippet. After removing the script, save or update your changes. To ensure the chat is uninstalled, refresh your website. Check for the chat widget on your site to verify it has been removed. If the widget still appears, clear your browser cache and try again. It's important to check on different devices to confirm complete removal. Once you've confirmed that the chat is gone, you have successfully uninstalled Freshdesk Chat from your website UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.